Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I just picked up my Kroger order and I made it another 2 weeks. So all I had to do was like a $10 fill-in, some bread and cheese. So anyhow, I just picked that up, but as always, I'm going to run in because we decided we needed a Detroit Motor City pizza for supper tonight and just a couple items that they just didn't have a sub that I wanted that they offered. We're going to see what we can find. Anyway, today's grocery haul is a very special collab with my friend Bethany. Her channel is called Simply Bethany. You may have heard me talk about her before when I did our Galentine's exchange. She was my Galentine. But you're going to love Bethany. She's doing a grocery haul and a meal plan today as well. And I will have her video and channel linked in my description box. So if you have not seen Bethany, for sure you want to check her out. And if you have, you know you're going to enjoy her video today. Be sure when you're finished here to hop on over there and give her a look-see. Let her know that Mama sent you in the comments, and be sure and show her some love. And if you're showing up for the first time here from Bethany's, thank you so much for being here. I do weekly What's for Dinners, and in the middle of the week I have a grocery haul or some other kind of food related content. But I'm just tickled that you're here, and I hope you'll stick around. So let's get in here and get these pizzas, get home, and I'll show you these groceries. Okay, we made it back. Here's what we've got. This was all from Kroger's, and this, between what I picked up and then I went in and got about $25 worth of stuff, come to right at $2.50, maybe a little bit more. But then again, that's for 2 weeks. So that's pretty good for a family of 4, breakfast, and I pack lunches, and we pretty much eat at home too. So lots of good specials and coupons this week. Here's what we got. Start with the elephant in the room. I got a 5-pound bag of tater tots. I had a coupon for the Kroger brand, which they didn't have in stock, but they did sub me the Ore-Ida for the same price. I didn't get the coupon, but this is still a very good deal. It's much cheaper to buy it in the 5-pound bag if you know you're going to eat them, and eventually we will eat them. I got a self-rising pizza, always a couple of Totino's for the freezer. We decided that we needed some Motor City pizza for dinner tonight, so I got a Supreme and a pepperoni. I don't know if we'll eat them both tonight. Very likely, though. Got a really good deal on some frozen vegetables. They had a good digital coupon. These were all just about $1 a piece. So these are great little helpers to have in the freezer. This one has some Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning on it, carrots, potatoes, broccoli, and cauliflower. These come in a box, but inside of there it's like a little steam bag. And these are low calorie and lightly sauced. And I like to eat these. Not everybody in the house likes them, but I do. This is, you know, lots of veggies, broccoli, carrots, peppers. This one has some potatoes and snap peas and peppers, but they have herb and buttery seasons on them. Got a bag of just frozen chopped diced onions. They had Gordon's on sale and there was a coupon, so I got another big bag of fish sticks for the freezer. We got a lot of fish sticks in the freezer now. Went ahead and got a bag of the boneless, skinless chicken breasts that are frozen. I like to cook these up in my crock pot or just thaw them out and cook them. Got a big box of the biscuits that my husband takes to work of the mornings. For some reason, the big home-style meatballs, well, all the Kroger meatballs, they were like $3.99 or something like that. So I went ahead and grabbed one. This is, how big is this? 26 ounces. So, yeah, I just went ahead and got that for the freezer. We did get some toilet paper, even though I just did a big Sam's haul and got some. I still like to pick up some maybe every other order just because, you know, I do not want to get back in a situation where I don't have some toilet paper put back. These, we had just eaten a can of these, so I'm replacing them. Petite diced tomatoes. The Kroger spaghetti and pasta sauces were super cheap this week, so I grabbed one more of those. Finally, Margaret Holmes greens were on sale, so I got this big can for $2. I got 2 of those. I got 2 cans of just regular cut green beans. I got 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. and 1 can of carrots. Cake mixes and brownies were on sale, so I just grabbed a Devil's Foods cake. I always, if they're on sale, I'll just grab one. Can always do something with a cake mix or a brownie mix. Got a bag of the Mexican rice by Knorr. We were out of my daughter's no-calorie sweetener. She uses this in her coffee, and it's just, again, cheaper to buy it in this big bulk bag than little individual things. A few non-food things. Got some mouthwash. This was supposed to be a shampoo, but they gave me the conditioner. Got some tea bags. Got a box of macaroni and cheese. They had this on sale, and we are loving this barbecue sauce right here, this private selection. I think there was also a digital coupon on it. Taco mix. I always grab one of those. A couple of these water flavorings that my daughter loves. A couple of packs of gum, also for her. A little can of tomato paste. This is like Rotel, Kroger's brand. It's got some baby deals, but those are some big babies. I don't know. Maybe there is another one that is smaller than this that I bought before I'm thinking of, but I wanted the little bitty ones. These are big babies. Got my husband hot sweet snackers that he likes. We needed pancake syrup. I always buy a bottle of ranch dressing. Chocolate covered granolas. They had the Folgers coffee, this house blend I love. It's not like a coffee house. It's a milder, but I love this one. They had it on sale. So I went ahead and grabbed that. I've opened my last can. Got a box of Kleenex. Just some cheap napkins so we don't end up using all of our paper towels for napkins. I got a bag of sugar, and I should have had 2 of these because they were on digital coupon this week for like $1.77 or $2.77, something like that. And it did not say that I was just getting one, so I need to check my receipt on that. Got some sandwich bags for lunch. Got the Duke's mayonnaise. It was on sale and cheaper this week, and I like Duke's. But y'all know I really like Hellmann's. For a Southern girl, I guess that's blasphemy. But do you know Hellmann's mayonnaise was $6? It just liked a few cents being $6. Oh, mercy, I just can't do it. And I think I have 1 jar of Hellmann's left, and I've got a jar of JFG in my pantry. So I just went ahead and got me some Dukes. I really like to make potato salad and stuff out of it. So anyway, 2 cans of Veg-All. I had used that up. Got these little crackers. They're like Ritz, but they are Kroger brand, and they're much cheaper. We got pepperoni. We got these little things that I buy every week just to snack on. And we got some Kroger brand Oreos. Got a box of fudge rounds. I got 2 of these bags of little tortilla chips. We go through tortilla chips like nobody's business around here. A loaf of bread. A dozen and a half of eggs. Cheese. We needed some cheese, believe it or not. Went ahead and got some regular cheese singles. Then I got some Swiss slices and some provolone. And you know, in my What's for Dinner, I said I needed to go and get some cheddar cheese out of the freezer. You won't believe it, but I had no cheddar cheese in the freezer. I've used all that I had bought up, and I didn't realize it. So I have got to organize my freezer again. I hate not knowing for sure what I have or don't have. That is not a very productive use of my freezer space. So anyhow, I got this 4-cup bag of cheddar cheese. I got 1 bag of Doritos. They had a coupon on them. 1 bag of these to eat with dip. Then Ruffles, if you bought 4 of them, you got them for like $1.88 or $1.99. So I ordered 4 different varieties. I ended up with 1 sour cream and onion and 3 cheddar and sour cream. That's fine. They will get eaten, and they travel well for lunches. Got a pack of bologna. Got a big container of Hillshire Farms honey ham. We love these that are super thin. Then I also got a big container of the Oscar Mayer oven roasted turkey breast. So we got plenty of lunch meat again. Got the dip for the chips, container of sour cream. Butter was another thing that was on sale. This brand of butter, which is definitely fine. I use any butter. I think it was $2.77. On their weekly specials, you can get up to 5 things, get it 5 times on that one trip. I still have some butter that I have not used up, so I just got one. Got a can of biscuits, produce here, potatoes. I think they were $1.77 with that digital coupon this week. So I got a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Went back to the shredded green leaf lettuce. I have been missing that. Got 2 Vidalia onions, and I got 1 red onion. A nice looking bunch of green onions. I got a red bell pepper, a little broccoli crown, got a cucumber, and I got 1 zucchini and 1 squash because I have been wanting it. And I'll have to do this at the first of the week because this one, I don't know, it's looking a little sketchy to me. Oh, and these 2 little dudes just about got forgotten. Had to go in for bread flour. They didn't want to sub me any for what I ordered. And these breadcrumbs they said they didn't have, that they were going to have to ship to me, but they had them. So got those too. So anyhow, that's what we've got. Not pictured in this haul are the 4 6-packs of Diet Mountain Dews that I picked up for my husband. So friends, that is it. Do not forget to go over and check out Simply Bethany's grocery haul when you're done here. Look around on her channel while you're there. You're going to love her. She is sweet as can be. She's got 2 very young, sweet babies. She does lots of grocery hauls, but she also does lots of cleaning motivation. She does a lot of crafting with her Cricut. She's got an Etsy shop. Bethany also does Bible journaling videos, which are my favorite videos of hers. They're very relaxing and they will minister to your soul. She just shares God's word and how it has spoken to her that week and helped her. So be sure and go over and check her out. And if you're here again from Bethany's, thank you very much for being here. I hope you'll stick around, and I'm so glad to have you. And until Sunday night, I pray that you have a blessed week. Take care, and as always, I send you love from my kitchen.